It's been late.
You always do that.
Sorry, good things take time. This is the brand new Realme C25s 428GB waterable international variant, and this might just be a world exclusive, so do subscribe if you want to see more of those. At first, the unboxing experience. Packaging is Realme standard, the box is yellow, and as soon as you open the box, you'll see a welcome card. Basically, Realme is saying, hey, welcome to Realme family. Then you have the phone, and underneath the phone you have a charger and a made in China USB Type-C cable. Oh, in the welcome card there are user guides, a soft transparent case, and a SIM ejector tool. A+ unboxing experience. When I first picked up the phone, I thought, wow, this is Rhineland certified and it has passed a lot of tests. There are YouTube videos you can check out. As a result, we might consider it as a budget, rugged phone. It has everything: power button and volume up button on the right side, SIM card tray on the left side, nothing on the top, and earpiece above the selfie camera, 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill on the bottom of the phone. It has a massive 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS display, 48MP AI triple camera, significantly bigger battery, 18W fast charging, most powerful processor in budget, Android 11, and latest Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. So specs wise, this is a top tier budget phone, and it's actually what a budget phone should be. Like, it's just a 720p resolution display, but it is a quality display with natural color reproduction, and viewing angle doesn't suffer here, and this is possibly the brightest display I've ever seen in budget. On paper it's 517 nits peak brightness. In fact, it is such a romantic display that you will love to watch, and its speaker is so punchy that you will love to listen. So overall multimedia experience is impressive, and if you're enjoying this video, a sub for the channel would be impressive as well. Now the elephant in the room, MediaTek Helio G85, which is actually gamer's choice at budget range, and I've been testing it for a long time. I've tried all sorts of games on this at default settings, and it just feels awesome. Alright, I have played and recorded an entire FreeFire match. There was a lot of action moments, but I didn't have any problem. No frame drop, no delay, even in action moments. But one thing I should mention, that I found one lag in my entire 15 minutes screen recorded gameplay while dropping glue wall in front of an enemy. You know, screen record creates additional pressure, and so sometimes it might rarely been happen, but I go to say this phone is specially made for gamers, because gaming experience is superb here, and same trend blows with PUBG. I played PUBG on HD graphics and high frame rate, and it was excellent, but my general recommendation is try to play on smooth ultra settings for getting an uninterrupted gaming performance, and it will also help your phone drain the battery slowly. Okay, just to get a very distinct result, I played Bus Simulator Indonesia at max settings. I was watching and listening my favorite song on TV while driving, and the screen recorded gaming experience is coming in front of you to give you an idea. Even I played Asphalt 9 and got a mind-blowing experience. It was totally touch responsive. I liked the graphics, and I was highly surprised to see the reflections in water on road. After all, I must say, with this device you are getting a superb gaming experience. Its RAM management is also good, but I think Realme should make it better. Now we have 3 cameras on back: a 48MP primary camera, a 2MP macro camera, and a 2MP black and white lens, which doesn't actually work. And assuming that your expectations are somewhat grounded, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by the level of detail, the background blur you can get, the ability to brighten dark areas, and control highlights. And in my test, I have seen that it can capture photos in almost natural color profile. Its camera has no stabilization. Remember, I was moving at a high speed, and video quality looks like this. By the way, I love the sky color it captured. It has slow-mo video recording option, and it's good. Even portrait shots are also good. They look excellent. Foreground and background separation is incredible, but sometimes it can't detect edges properly. Like in this photo, bottom and sides are perfectly detected, but it blurred the top of the foreground, so I think Realme should fix this. By the way, its autofocus is faster than OnePlus 9 Pro. It has a dedicated 48MP mode. Also, it is an ultra macro mode. Really, I liked as well as I loved the macro shots taken on this phone. Honestly, in terms of quality, these are good enough to take your macrography to the next level. So this is not the best camera system I have ever used in budget, but it is decent. Now it's time to talk about the battery. The charger was in, the cable was in, and I tested how much time it takes to be fully charged. By the way, before getting into that, I need to mention one thing, and this is, I got a good battery backup in my retail unit. Remember, this is not a review unit provided by the brand. I bought it for reviewing, so I think you will also get the same battery backup, but as a lot of people are saying they are not getting the battery backup they expect, that's why I mentioned it. Okay, after 2 hours 55 minutes, it was fully charged, charging speed is good and battery backup is also good, at least for me, though I am a heavy user. But Realme, you should take the feedbacks on board that I mentioned in this video to provide better experience. However, a review can't be done without talking about the user interface. Honestly speaking, Realme UI is polished, I like the way it looks and I love the way it feels. Face unlock is fast, but fingerprint unlock is very fast. Okay, after all, if I had to define this phone with one sentence, I would say good display, decent camera, big battery and excellent performance. So if you enjoyed it, then do consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.